full tour of this V8 LTD that we're giving away this Sunday night. So it's in the beautiful luscious burgundy paint, and this car in particular won all 4 days best LTD 2026 this year in Victoria. And the reason it won is because it is immaculate, as you can see. Have a look at the gloss on the paint, it's absolutely crazy. So if you guys don't know about the LTD is Ford's top of the line model. It's not a Falcon, it's not a Fairlane, it's an LTD. It's the top of the top of the top. The reason why, it's got every luxurious feature that you could imagine that Ford had in 2004. Have a look at this. It's got the real leather interior. I'm gonna go on the other side so you guys can see. Let me jump in. So, it's got the full leather interior, and this is real leather. Cars these days have like a fake vinyl leather. This is the real deal. They don't make cars like this anymore. It's got the LTD embroidery in the seats. This thing has a sunroof as well, so summer's coming up, perfect for summer. Did I mention we're giving this car away to someone this weekend? If you join our online community access, you are in the draw. So with that, you get discounts to car parts, you get to a private members group where you can chat with myself and other car owners about your project if you've got any problems. This thing also has dual zone climate control, so if your missus is cold and you're hot, you can change that. It's got the 6 CD stacker. Now that's so nostalgic now. You can put your old CDs in there and still play them. It's got all the wood grain features of the LTD. So on the steering wheel, have a look at the condition of the steering wheel. It's absolutely immaculate. So it's also got the memory seat, as you can see down there. So if you and your missus like to have the seat in a certain way, she can program hers into the number 1 setting, and then you can go number 2, so you're not always having to adjust the seat. Let's have a look in the back. So one of the reasons why this LTD is special is because of the leg room and the space. So it's a longer wheelbase than a Falcon, same as a Fairlane, but you can have your tall adults in the back and be stretched out with the legs. Again, it's got the premium leather interior as well. This is 22-year-old interior, and have a look how durable this is. Will last forever if you look after it. So come around to the back, massive boot space. Put all your luggage in there, you can go on a trip. This thing is like a lounge room on wheels. You could drive all around Australia in this thing and just be so comfortable. LTD badging. So the lower version of this car is called a Fairlane, and then you got the Fairlane gear, and then you got the LTD, and this is like the top of the top. A normal Falcon will have a number plate here. This is sleek, it's got the extra chrome. And one crazy thing about this car is it's unmodified. So the owner has just left it original. He even had the original wheels restored back to pristine condition. So a lot of guys, I mean, even if you're a P-plater, this is P-plate legal as well. And if this was my car, to be honest, I would lower it. I would put it on airbags so I could sit it on the floor and put some huge wheels on it, because I think it would look really good, but a lot of you guys think it's a sin to do that. What do you guys reckon? Let me know in the comments. If you want to get into, no, let me show you the engine. So 220 Barra V8. Yes, I did say Barra, not Boss, because that's what it's called. Look it up if you're unsure. There's been a lot of arguments online. Let's have a look at the engine bay. So I'm not sure why they called it the Barra. It should have been called the Boss 220, but here it is. Completely original engine bay, apart from a couple of accessory covers like the fuse box lid and the power steering lid there as well. So there it is, unmodified. If you wanted to go crazy modifying this thing, you could. We're giving it away to some lucky winner of our G Auto community group this weekend. All you got to do is buy access from as little as $9, and there's not many people in the draw. It's capped at 1,500. We're going to be delivering this Australia-wide with a roadworthy to your door, transfer it in your name, ready for you to cruise with your mates and your family. So if you want to get in, check out the link below, and we'll be hopefully speaking to you on Sunday. Goodbye for now.